Alright guys, welcome back to AIP Tech Space. Okay, you are welcome. I greet everyone, you're welcome. Thank you for staying with us. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to install your AutoCAD 2024 step by step on your PC. It will be working without you paying any time. So in this video we are going to be covering a full installation process, how you can install it from the beginning to the end, and how you are going to get the license for free. So alright, before we get started, if you are just joining us for the first time, please kindly subscribe to our channels. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video to the people that you know that are in need of this software. So now let's get started. Like I said, okay, so we've been installing this software. So we have already installed this software into our PC like we are saying in this video. So okay, alright, so I'm just going to be before we start, I just want to make some changes. Okay, so before you start, so first before you install this software, the AutoCAD software into your PC, first thing you have to do is just to go to your PC settings and click on virus and threat protection. There are some things you have to do. Okay, so let's just continue. Okay, so click on virus and protection, virus and threat protection. Okay, so this is it. Click on manage settings and then switch off the real-time protection. You know, it's a crack file, so all this one will not allow your PC your software to work. It is turned on, so you have to switch them off. Click on yes. Okay, so I think we can leave it. Okay, let's just, to be on the safer side, let's just off this ones too, so to be on the safer side. Alright, so after you have done this, the next thing you have to do is what you have to make sure you are not on internet whenever you want to install the software. Make sure you are not on internet so that the software will work automatically. If there is any mistake in the installation process, the software will not work and you have to restart. You have to be uninstall and restart again. So follow us as we go through this video. Alright, the first thing you have to do is just to click on this and then just click on it. Let's click. So let's wait for it to load. In this video, we are going to learn a lot. Okay, so just click on the open. Click on open, and then see so this is the file in that software. This is all the files in the software, as you can see in this video. So like I said, for you to get the software I've just extracted now, so there will be a link in our description. That's the link will direct you to where to get the exact software we are installing. So you have to click on the link in the description to get the exact software which we are using. So we have prepared it in a folder for you. So alright, so the next thing you have to do is to come and install the setup. This is the setup. Just click on setup, just click it once and then right click on it once and then right click and then open as administrator. Don't open it immediately like that. Open it as administrator. Just click on run as administrator, sorry about that, and then click on run. Don't mind that one. Okay, so we have to wait. Click on this side and then click on yes to pause the video, so that you won't say there is a magic. I've done the magic when I pause the video. There is a magic I've done behind the scenes, so that's why I won't be pausing the video unless we reach. There are some places we have to pause it, but I will be showing us the full installation guide, the full installation process on how to install your AutoCAD 2024. Alright, so let's wait for it to install. Okay, just scroll down, just click on agree and then click on next, and then choose where to install. You can decide to change, but this is the best place to install your AutoCAD software. Just click on install and then we wait for it to install. Don't cancel it. So like I said, a file will be dropped in the description below for you to access the software which you will use. For the file will be in the description below, so you just have to click on the description and then to direct you to where you are going to get the file which we are using. Okay, so let's continue. Let's wait for it to install. Okay, for the purpose of this video, so that it won't be longer, can I just pause this aspect of okay guys, so we have successfully installed, so we are waiting for it to finalize the installation. Finalizing AutoCAD 2024, you can start the product while install finalizes. So we wait for it to finalize the installation. Okay, so let's just wait a little bit for it to finalize the installation. So like I said, if you're an electrical engineering student, or you're an aspiring electrical engineering, you want to learn to design on AutoCAD to do your electrical design. So you need AutoCAD software. If you're a civil engineer, you also need AutoCAD software. You also need and then getting the fully licensed on their software is a huge lot of money. That's why we are showing you this step on how to install it fully functional, fully licensed. Or like I said, okay. So now you can see it says start. So you won't be clicking the start immediately. You have to just cut it off. So we have successfully installed the software like that. So after we are done with the setup, so what next is that the next thing is that we move to go to your crack. This is crack. Click on it. Double click. All right. Okay, I'm giving some sign on that. Okay, so just click on crack. Come to this Autodesk license patcher installer. Click on it also. Click on it, and then I would love us to see some things. Click on read me first, so that we can see the steps you are meant to take, the procedures you are meant to follow in order to install the software. So let's just go straight to the point: how to download and install any Autodesk products, which we have already done. We have already installed one of the products in the Autodesk products. Number 2 is then run Autodesk license patcher with what administrator, right? And this blah blah blah. So just I need cut this off, and then this is the Autodesk license patcher installer. So we have to install this one. Then click on it once, and then right click like I've been doing in the video, and then run as administrator. You don't open it directly, you run it as administrator. So click on it like that, and then click on run. So don't mind what you are seeing, it will always bring something like that. So okay, so let's just continue. Let's wait for it. Okay, so click on this side. If it's not popping up, just click on it and then click on yes. Let's wait, and then we are going to wait until this thing executes the program it wants to do. We have to wait for it. You don't click on anything, just wait until it's done. When it's done, it's going to quit itself. So let's just wait for it. So I will be pausing the video so that we can know where it's actually going to stop. Okay, so let's just wait. All right, let's wait for it. So alright guys, if you are finding this video, you have been finding it so helpful, please kindly subscribe channels. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video to the people you know they are in need of this software. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so we'll be waiting for this to execute the program is meant to do. Okay, so let's wait. So you don't have to click anything this side, you don't have to click anything, just wait for it. If it's done, it's going to quit itself. So let's just wait and keep watching it. Okay, all right. All right, can you see that it's done like that? So one thing you have to do is just to go back, click on the file crack. Okay, I think we are done with that. So the next thing is, let's go and check the next thing. What's the next procedure to follow is what? Launch any installed Autodesk product, and when prompted to select use a network license. Can we see this number 3? So that means that what we have installed, we have to go and launch it. Because of this, let me just AutoCAD we have installed, so this is the one we'll be launching. Just click on it once and then right click and then run as administrator. We know this the number 3 procedure we are meant to follow is that we should launch the Autodesk product we have installed. So just click on run as administrator. Okay, click on yes, click on yes. So this step by step will show you how to gain full license to this Autodesk software without you paying a dime. You know, if you go to something like the free version of it, but this is more than free version. And then so let's just continue. Okay, so this is what will be seen in your screen whenever you install, whenever you first install the software and it opens. So like the third procedure says, I'll use a network license. Don't click on a serial number, click on network license, just click on select. Okay, so we have selected that. So the next thing is what? Let's just wait. Okay, so the next thing is just to click on this plus sign. So like we're starting a new drawing. So those that are familiar with AutoCAD already, they know that they know what to do without. So this is it. It's functional. It's fully functional. Can you see it's working? Okay, so now the next thing, you are going to see something like this popping up. You are not going to sign up. Just click on close it. Okay, let's wait, maybe it's going to pop up anything. Okay, so now just let's check whether it's fully functional. Okay, you can see. So when an AutoCAD software is working, you would, how do you know that it's working? Is that you'll be able to access those features in it. Can you see how I can do anything on it? If it's not functional, even this thing will not be showing like this. It will be very blurry. You can see it. So you'll be able to press. So can you see that it's fully functional? Can you see now? Can you see that it's working? Okay, can you see now? Alright, can you see guys? It's working. Okay, you can test. One of the way you know it's working is by testing. Okay, can you see? You can see that this is working. Click on enter, just close all this. Okay, let me just cut it off. Okay, oh sorry about that. Okay, just click on erase it. So can you see that it's fully functional and you can have access to it? The next thing is just to come to this sign in and come and check the license, managing license, and click on change license type to see what is going on. Is to click on the network. Also, let's see what's going on. Maybe it's going to pop up any error, and then sometimes if you launch this software, it might bring license, it might bring pop up something like the server is down. Due to server is down, don't be afraid, don't be frightened. Just have to do is just to close the software one more time and then reopen it again. It will automatically work in the normal way. Like I said, for you to get access to this software that we have installed, you have to click on the link in our description. We'll be giving you for free. You have to click in the link drop in the description for free. So after you are done with this, just let's cut it off. Let's cut it. No, I'm not saving it. Let's cut it. Okay. Alright, so after you are done, just go back to your settings. Go back to your settings and turn on everything you have turned off. Okay, like I said, I'm not sure if I mentioned this. When you are installing it, before installing it, make sure you don't have access to the internet. Make sure you don't have access to the internet at the first time you are installing the software. Make sure you are not having access to the internet, and make sure you turned off this virus and threat protection settings. And then after you are done with the installation, you can come and turn it on back. Can you see? I'm trying to on it back. So you have to on everything you turned off after you have successfully installed the software. Okay, let's on it everything. So you have installed everything. So which means that you can use internet even while you have installed, even while you are on the software. You can use your internet. You can use everything. Let's try and launch it again. Open the software again. Let's see whether it will work. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Okay, let me just pause it since we have already done. All right, so just click on this plus sign and then it's going to pop up and it's going to show everything here. So can you see it in the video? Let me try use this orthogonal. So okay, can you see? All right, can you see it's fully functional and fully working? Guys, if you truly find this video very helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share with your loved ones. Share with people you know they are in need of this software, people you know they need this software. So please kindly share with them. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to be the first to get notified whenever we drop videos like this. Alright, so thank you very much. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Thank you.